who should go next at this point? Nobody else. In this boring title screen. I mean, in this boring menu. What a joke. No, it shouldn't be. Oh no, don't do it. It sounds similar. Hi. It's not me. It was Blair. Oh, Blair water. Oh, not. Why don't you get angry at her for a while? I won't. Oh, great. That kicked Yoshi out. Please, Donkey Dinosaur needs to go. Wait, what? Bye. You think it's a joke? Thank you, sir. Maybe I'll do this. Are you serious? You know what? There you go. No! I'm doing this for you. Enough is enough. Deal with it! That should get... Well... He slipped off his nose and that's what happens. No stars. Come on! Bye. Come on! That's funny. Whoa. No, finally done, so done, so done. I need that thing, too. I tried. Ah. Oh, I get it. Bad. What? I cannot take this. Maybe we should do it the other way. What do you think? All day. There. You don't even show up most of the time. Wow. Where did it go? I'm supposed to unlock everything for this. There you go. Let's test this. No, bees, please, no. 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 Oh, great. Hello, it's not funny. It won't work. There you go. It's annoying. It won't work. Let's go. Oh dear. Not now. Not now, I say. There you go. It's so funny. You know what? Now you got those along. Woo! It's red. Wow! Are you so bored of appearing a lot? Then it is. Wow! Good job for ending me off, player. Officially finished. It's only a few minutes on this. Oh, you're kidding me, right? No. My mental kitten is up. Help me! You. Thanks for going a lot in this bar level. Well. Yeah, it's not for you. What are you doing on that top of the block? Oh dear. No! She said over there, do nothing. Oh my gosh. Quit teasing me, squirrel. Block all you want, I'm not doing this. You won't let me do this, I'll just do it for you, squirrel. I'll let you do it! I'll knock him off. Yes! Yes! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Yes! Oh, no way. Yoshi's going down. I like how the shot you go like this. Give me the music! Alright. Jeez. Thanks for missing. Okay. I quit. Idiot. Yay! You're getting it. You're getting it. You're getting it. Take that. Take that. Let's get out of here, you donkey dinosaur. Alright, that's right. Everything, player. Play big time. Yes. Oh, yeah. The end is near. Leave it all this time. Oh, sit there. Okay. Yeah, fantastic. You. Oh, you're gonna do that one more time. That's it. No, let's do it again. Wagging time. Not a wagon. I'll be able to finish it sooner, as soon as I can. No. Toasted. Whew. I have to stick with the wolf for now and give somebody else a name. Oh, another wolf? Another wolf? Coyote? Or whoever. Some of them still play it, and they have to stick with their animals like this for a while. You can change. That's my trade list. That's not what I've been looking for. I want to change my jammer. Here, it's right next to it. It's supposed to be like that. The username is really creative. Nah, I'm not gonna change. New animal. Can someone be my bud? Sure, as long as you treat respect too. I'm not sure. Wow, I have a lot of gems. You have a golden retriever? What? Please tell me what it looks like. And you have a golden retriever. Oh my god, this game is full of new animals. I'm sorry, I gotta go for it, cat. We're close to getting. Everyone is. I feel like getting that hat. Oh. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. I'll just choose the Maine Coon. I'll just choose it once I get it and have enough sapphires. It looks so gorgeous to me as soon as I get it. Yeah, I have a golden retriever too. I have plenty of new pets besides choosing German Shepherd. What's next? A poodle? Let's hope for it soon. Okay, I get it. I'm not sure which. We're trying. We're trying. This game is absolutely great. Oh. Not I mean to. It's rolling. Oh. Oh, not again. Why? Stop doing that. Oh dear. There we go. There. Leave it shut. Should stay like that all of a sudden. No! Bye! Why the heck do I love this game? Even though I haven't been active with it for a year. It's such a nice return. Wow! Just wow. We lost. We lost. We lost. We lost. Okay.